my dear students, how are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today let me start GK Unit 4, Art and Culture, chapter number 28, Life in Stone. Given below are description and pictures of some beautiful statues standing tall across the wall. Identify and write their names. Number 1. It is the tallest stone Buddha statue of the world, carved out of a cliff face by an 8th century monk in southern Sichuan province. ये है जियान बुद्धा ऑफ लेसान, जियान बुद्धा ऑफ लेशन. Number 2, they were 4th and 5th century monumental statues of standing Buddha carved into the side of a cliff in central Afghanistan. ये हैं Buddhas of Bamyan. Number 3. It is a bronze statue in front of Rockefeller Center in New York City. It depicts the ancient Greek titan holding the heaven statue of Atlas. Statue of Atlas. Number 4. It is the statue of Jesus Christ in Mando City, Indonesia. It is made from fiber and steel and became the first flying statue of the world. So it is Christ blessing. Number 5, this is a masterpiece of Renaissance sculptures created between 1501 and 1504 by Michelangelo. ये है Statue of David. Statue of David. Okay. Next, number 6 is. It is a bronze statue of a man sitting on a rock with his chin resting on one hand as though deep in thought, and is often used as an image to represent philosophy. The thinker. Thinker means ये कुछ सोच रहा है. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 29. Indian musicians are famous both nationally and internationally. Read the clues and identify these Indian musicians. Number 1, an accomplished sitar player and composer. She is the daughter of a famous sitar maestro. Her first public performance was at the age of 13. She is now a pioneer in the fusion genre. ये है अनुष्का शंकर. She is Bengali. Number 2. One of the founding figures of Carnatic music, this early 20th century musician, was also a prolific singer. Her name was prefixed by a title that indicated her mastery of the instrument she played. So she is Veena Dhanammal. Number 3, a Hindustani classical singer by profession, this Padma Shri awardee likes to experiment with pop and folk music. Her songs are characterized by great energy and enthusiasm. ये है शुभा मुदगल. She is Shubha Mudgal. Number 4. His father wanted him to become a wrestler, but he decided to make music his profession. Today he is the best known Indian flautist. He is the subject of the documentary film Basuri Guru, Pandit Manohar Chimote. Number 5. He has received the Padma Shri, the Padma Bhushan and numerous global accolades for his magnificent tabla playing skill. He has also acted in and composed music for many Indian films. ये है जाकिर हुसैन, उस्ताद जाकिर हुसैन. Number 6. He was among us the most versatile harmonium players Bharat has ever produced in a career of over 50 years. He created everlasting, melodious and significantly modified the harmonium. Okay, number 6 है पंडित हरि प्रसाद चौरसिया. Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 30. Dance of Bharat. Given below are various folk dances and semi-classical dances of Bharat and the names of states where they come from. Identify the dances and match them to their states by writing correct letter in each box. Folk dances and semi-classical dances and states. Okay, number 1, Jatra, West Bengal. Bhawai, number 2, Gujarat. Mao, Madhya Pradesh. Ras Leela, Uttar Pradesh. Bhadpathar, Kashmir. Katputli, Rajasthan. Ankiya Nat, Assam. And Kuriyattam, Kerala. Okay, these are the dance. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 32. Dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 31. Art and culture. Answer the following questions. Name the classical dance form of Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi. Which instrument does Master Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma play? Santoor. Which dance from our Biju Maharaj and Gopi Krishna renowned? 4. Number 3, Kathak. With which musical instrument does Master Ali Akbar Khan associated the sarod? Which classical Indian dance was traditionally performed exclusively by men? Kathakali. Number 6. Which Indian dance form in literal translation means dance of the enchantress? Number 6. Mohiniyattam. Which form of classical dance did Rabindranath Tagore popularize throughout the country? Manipuri. Number 8. Which dance form indigenous to the eastern part of Bharat uses large styles, makes and depicts birds and animals? Chau. So my dear students, chapter number 31 is on here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 32. Magic of hands. Read the clues and name these arts and craft forms. Number 1. It is the art of paper folding which is generally associated with Japanese culture. Usually these designs begin with a square sheet of paper which is folded to give different shapes. It is origami. Number 2. It is glass that has been colored by adding metallic salts. It is usually crafted into windows in which small pieces of glass are arranged to form patterns. ये है stained glass. Number 3, it is a visual art related to writing. It basically involves the design and execution of letters with a broad tip instrument, dip, pen or brush, among other writing, calligraphy. Number 4, it is sometimes called art pottery. It is an art form made from ceramic materials which may take the form of artware, tile, figurines, sculpture and tableware. Number 4 is ceramic art. Ceramic art. Number 5. It is the art or craft of attaching beads to one another by stringing them with a swing needle or swing them to cloth. It is beadwork. Number 6, its name means chewed paper in French. It is a composite material consisting of paper, pieces of pulp bound with an adhesive such as glue, starch or wallpaper paste. ये है papier. Its name comes from a French word collar, which means to glue. It usually includes magazine and newspapers, clipping, ribbons, paints, photographs, etc. glued to a piece of paper or canvas. It is collage. Number 8. It is the art of creating images by assembling small pieces of colored glass, stone or other material, mosaic. So dear students, all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. We will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.